In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping and returns in the Google Merchant Center next. Setting up shipping and returns is an essential step for any business selling products online, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything configured in about 5 minutes. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to business.google.com. This is your gateway to access the Merchant Center where you manage your product listings and settings. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and you should see a Sign In button. Click on that and make sure you select Merchant Center from the options provided. It's important to be signed in with your business account so that all changes are properly saved. If you haven't signed in already, you'll be directed to a login page. Just input your credentials to proceed. However, if you're like most users and you've logged in previously, you'll find yourself directly on your Merchant Center homepage. From this main page, look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you should spot shipping and returns. Clicking on this option will lead you to a section where you can manage all shipping settings. Next, find the Get Started button and click on it. This is where you'll create a new shipping policy. On the first page, you'll want to name your new shipping policy. Giving descriptive and clear names to your policies can make it easier to manage them later on, especially as your business grows. You'll then see a section to select the countries where you're able to ship your products. Simply tick the boxes next to the countries that apply, or you can add additional ones if necessary. With your countries chosen, click on Continue to move on to the next step. Now it's time to decide which products this shipping policy applies to. You can select specific products or apply the policy to all available items. Once you've made your selections, hit Continue to keep going. On the subsequent page, you'll have the opportunity to set up the order cutoff and delivery times. Consider the usual time it takes to process orders, as well as the typical shipping duration to accurately set these parameters. After doing so, click Continue once more. And finally, there comes the moment to set up your shipping costs. This is crucial because it reflects directly on what customers will pay, and you want to make sure it aligns with business expenses and customer expectations. When you're satisfied with your input, find the Save button and give it a click. And that's it. You've successfully set up your shipping and returns in Google Merchant Center next. You can always come back to tweak settings as needed, but for now, you're all set to start managing shipping policies effectively. Feel confident in having completed another crucial step towards expanding your e-commerce success. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.